Hi friends, this video shows how to change password of the Wi-Fi network. Go to settings, set settings icon from top right corner. Go to network and internet. Here you can see list of nearby Wi-Fi networks. This is the name of the Wi-Fi network that I am using, my Wi-Fi. I am going to change the password of this Wi-Fi network. Select it. Then select forget network. Done. Then again set the same Wi-Fi network, my Wi-Fi. This time it's asking for the password. Here we need to enter the password of this Wi-Fi network. Let me enter the password. Okay, done. Then submit. Now it's connected successfully. Done. So this way we can change password of Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.